Special Agent Fox Mulder here, and we're down at Stony Point Road, intersection, Frankston Flinders Road. We're waiting for the Frankston Doodlebug. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but that's really steaming up there, that track. Of course it's raining. So yeah, Doodlebug from Stony Point and heading towards Frankston. Down at the old Bittern Motors, old school automotive repairs there. Now we've got the road steaming up as well. Really steaming off that tray, off that rail. Doodlebug ahoy. I just heard a whistle. Which direction he's coming from. Steel train was early this morning. That put me right out. Okay. I'll just pause it until we can see the train. Okay. Doodlebug ahoy. He's still about a kilometre away down the track there. We've got a good view of him coming up the hill, and we'll be able to see him go around the corner here. Alright, so go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe, or buy that subscribe button a beer, karate chop that like button. Here comes the Doodlebug, and he'll be flicking. And he is flicking. Next stop for him is Bittern Station. Certainly wasn't holding back on the power then. Okay, Doodlebug's back in town this week. So yeah, I've been sitting here in the rain waiting for that, and it was absolutely bucketing down. Okay, coolio and the gang. That'll be, well, thanks for watching this far, and that'll be Special Agent Fox Mulder. Until the next one, out.